In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Xero quote template. Now, getting your quote template to look just the way you want is key for maintaining brand consistency and offering a professional appearance to your clients. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can effortlessly update your quotes to match your needs. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a range of options and settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your company name displayed. Go ahead and click on your company name and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with various settings to choose from. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you deeper into the customization features that Xero offers. Once you're in the Settings area, navigate to Invoice Settings. Now, despite the name, this section houses various document templates, including your quotes. In this Invoice Settings area, you'll come across an option specifically for uploading templates. Next, we'll move forward by making some template adjustments. Within this same section, look for the Upload button and give it a click. After clicking Upload, the next step is to click on Browse under the Quote section. This action will prompt you to select the new template file from your device. Take a moment to search through your files and select the quote template you've prepared. It's important to remember that your template should be in a compatible format for Xero to process it smoothly. Once the file is selected, click on Upload to initiate the process of incorporating your new template into Xero. You may notice a confirmation message or symbol indicating that your upload was successful. After this initial upload, click the Upload button once more to finalize this process. And there you have it. Your new quote template is now set up in Xero, ready to enhance your business communications. Remember, keeping your templates up to date and consistent with your branding is crucial for making a lasting impression on your clients. With these steps complete, you can rest assured that your quotes will reflect exactly the image you wish to project. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.